What is 4-7-8 breathing?
The 4-7-8 breathing is a simple, fast-acting relaxation technique. Developed by Dr. Andrew Weil, it's designed to calm the nervous system by controlling your breath. Many people use it to reduce stress, ease anxiety, or fall asleep quickly. With just a few cycles, this method helps you feel more relaxed and in control in under 2 minutes.
How does 4-7-8 breathing work?
4-7-8 breathing works by slowing your heart rate and signaling your body to relax. Inhaling deeply fills your lungs with oxygen. Holding the breath helps your body absorb it, and slow exhalation encourages the release of tension. This pattern engages the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for calmness and recovery.
Step 1. Get into position.
Sit or lie down comfortably. Keep your back straight, shoulders relaxed, and place the tip of your tongue behind your upper front teeth. You'll keep your tongue there throughout the exercise. Let your hands rest in your lap or by your sides. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so.
Step 2. The 4-7-8 cycle.
Breathe in quietly through your nose for a count of 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 7 seconds. Then exhale completely through your mouth for 8 seconds, making a soft whooshing sound. This is one breath cycle. Focus on the counting to anchor your mind in the present.
Repeat and feel the calm.
Repeat the 4-7-8 breathing cycle up to 4 times in a row. Try not to rush. As you continue, notice your body relaxing further with each breath. Many people report feeling calmer, more focused, and less anxious by the end of 2 minutes.
When and how to use 4-7-8 breathing.
Use 4-7-8 breathing whenever you feel stressed, anxious, or need to wind down. It's great before bed, during stressful moments, or anytime you want to quickly reset. With regular practice, this technique can become a powerful tool for managing everyday stress and finding calm fast.